Good
First of all,
morning.
thank you very much, sir, giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. I am Aarti Kaur from Batul. Today we are doing one-on-one conversation with my partner Gayatri.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all dear present.
Good
Firstly, thank you so much for the giving me this golden opportunity. And today I am here for one-on-one conversation with Aarti.
So hello Gayatri.
Hello, Aarti.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am also good. So Gayatri, what are you doing nowadays?
Aarti, I am doing BMLT first year in Devgaon, and apart from that, I am doing learning English education here in Wisdom Educational Academy. And what about you?
Currently, I am pursuing my master degree from Government College Batul, and apart from, I have joined Wisdom Educational Academy for improving my English communication skills and personality development.
Oh, that's good.
And what do you want to become?
Aarti, I want to become a lab technician.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And what about you?
I want to become a government officer.
What do you want?
Firstly, I want to become a teacher. And why you want to become a lab technician?
Because I didn't seen anyway. That's why I'm doing.
So, Gayatri, what's your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening song, singing song, and traveling. And what about you?
My hobbies is also traveling and cooking and reading books, and apart from listening, singing and dancing.
Oh, so which time you do?
When I feel bored, that time I listening song and do, dance. And cooking is my hobby, so I daily prepare new dishes. And weekends I prepare new dishes.
Oh, that's great. So Aarti, which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali. And which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Navratri.
Why?
Because we are going to temple and worship Ma Durga and pray to God for our good health. And Navratri is 9 days. I feel like very energetic and very positive vibe. That's why.
Oh, it's very good.
And what about you like most?
On Diwali, before Diwali, 1 week before Diwali, we clean our rooms and decorate our rooms. And on the Diwali, draw rangoli front of our home and decorate our homes with diya, candles, lights. And on Diwali, on day of Diwali, we make so many delicious foods like sweets and other. And we are celebrate with family this festival. That's why I like.
Oh, Aarti. So you purchase new clothes?
Yeah, on this festival I buy new clothes.
Do you like
Yeah, I like.
purchase the new clothes?
I really like purchase new clothes. And do you like?
Yeah, I like also much.
So Gayatri, which season do you like most?
Summer season I like most
Why you like summer season most?
because the day was very long and I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping lot and we are going evening outside and take ice cream and some juices and going to mama's house. That's why I like.
I also like eat ice cream.
Oh, that's good. This is very young.
So Gayatri, are you are you healthy person?
Yeah, I'm very health conscious.
Oh, nice. So
And you?
I also.
So what do you do for the health conscious?
First, I do exercise daily and eat healthy foods with full nutrients. And you?
Yeah, I also do take vegetables and some fruits and like etc.
So, what do you think about health? Health is more important in our life.
Yeah.
How?
I don't know about this answer, so tell me you.
I think according to me, health is very important because we are good, so we do many works, and we are not healthy, so we are not do any works. That's why I think health is very important.
Oh, I agree with you. So, Aarti, what about your? So, Aarti, tell me about the English communication skills and why important in our life.
I think English communication skills is very important in our life, and as well as success of our career and our professional life, because in a present time English is very important, because all the exam conduct in English. And Gayatri, this time is a technology time. So technology words used in English. Most of the word is English. So that's why English is more important.
Yeah.
And what do you think?
I also think like this is very important for our financial life and our professional life, like achieve our goals and our make our good future and all about lots.
So Gayatri, English is all field used, like science field and technology field, space field, and also education and big university also.
Thank you. Nice.
Well done, well done.